kind of scene. Okay, you're going to star in the video. So star is Yoda. Speak, Yoda.
Little Pansy Moose.
What did you say?
Little Pansy Moose.
Is that like Jabba the Hutt?
Now would you just leave me alone? I'm trying to enjoy my birthday party.
Oh, Darth Vader's behind you.
Now would you just stop that, Darth Vader? I'm too old to fight now. I'm 560 years old.
How old? Rylan, careful.
560, are you deaf?
60? Yes, I am. 560.
Now would you just, oh, you get it.
Rylan.
I'm leaving now. Bye.
Bye.
I'm with you. Enjoy my party. Let's go outside. Yeah.
See you later, Yoda and Darth Vader. Bye.
It's not the end. It's not the end.